Alright guys, so we got another unboxing video today. Decided to purchase a little something just randomly to kind of up the quality of my YouTube videos and streams, because right now the quality of this video probably doesn't really look that good, and that's because I'm using a not so great webcam. Right now I have the Logitech C920, I believe it's called, which is a 720p webcam. Not really the greatest quality for video creation or Twitch streaming. This webcam came pretty much for free when I originally purchased my desktop computer build back in December of 2017. Of course, I have definitely changed the hell out of this computer. If you want to see those videos, I'll put a link to my PC videos playlist down below in the description if you want to check those out. So I figured, I got a new headset, I might as well upgrade something else as well. So I picked up a new webcam. This is the Logitech C920 Pro HD webcam, 1080p 30 fps, 720p 60 I believe, or 720p 30 apparently, actually not 60. I thought it was 60, but if it's not, that is fine. But this thing should be a hell of a lot better than the one that I currently have. I'll showcase the other webcam in a little bit once we switch to this one. But pretty much today we're going to be unboxing this bad boy and doing a test recording. So this video here will be recorded, and at least in this webcam, if I can speak today, which I apparently can't. Right now we're recording at 720p because that's all this webcam can really do. And when we switch to this phone, we're going to record with 1080p. So this video will be fully rendered in 1080p just to kind of see the difference between the two webcams. Is what I'm trying to say. But apparently I'm stupid and I can't speak today. But this is probably, and hopefully, going to be a pretty damn good upgrade for the channel as well as the streams, so I can actually get some better fucking facial capture in this bitch, because this quality is pretty shitty, to be honest. It looks shitty to me, at least, when I watch videos. So hopefully this one will be a little bit more crisp and clear and not suck as much ass. So we're going to go ahead, get this thing unboxed, take a look at it, and then we will do a test recording. So let's fucking unbox this thing. Well, upon opening it, webcam is nicely displayed on the inside. One thing I forgot to mention, though, is I do have two light bulbs out in my room, so that'll sort of affect the lighting for today's comparison video. So hopefully that's not too big of a problem. But pretty much as soon as you open this thing, the webcam comes right out. This thing's fucking cold because it's been in the mailbox all day. Probably not my best idea, but this is the webcam. It looks a hell of a lot beefier than this other one, which, like I said, I will show you guys what that one looks like once we switch to this bad boy. But it's got, of course, the clip-on stand, which hopefully will clip to my monitor, and of course you got the USB cable so you can get this thing to actually work. But this is a pretty damn nice looking webcam. It's also got microphones, which of course I'm not going to use. Oh fuck, I dropped the goddamn thing as soon as I unbox it. That's a fucking Linus moment right there. But other than that, there doesn't seem to really be too much more shit in this webcam other than instructions, of course, and I literally think that's it in the box. There's literally nothing else in this box. Yep, that's literally it. Webcam and instruction manuals. Not too bad. I kind of just threw that shit on the ground. I know it looks like I'm looking at my crotch when I look down, but I swear to God I'm not. I swear. But yeah, this is the webcam. It's got some plastic stuff on it protecting it right now. We're gonna go ahead and get that stuff off, and then we will actually fucking put this thing on the PC. Let's see if we have some better, overall quality when it comes to the video. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, is we're gonna go get this thing installed, and we're gonna switch over and see what the difference is. We are using OBS Studio, because that's what I use to record videos. I use Streamlabs OBS exclusively for streaming and OBS Studio for YouTube. So that's just what we're using today. So that's what we'll be using to compare the webcams. So yeah, I'm going to kick off this last bit of plastic right here, because this thing actually got quite a bit of plastic on it. I am not good at making videos, if you can't tell. I will just do this off camera. So yeah, let's go ahead and switch this thing over and see how the new webcam looks on video. Well guys, the new webcam has officially been set up and we are recording with it right now. The quality looks a little better, I suppose. I can definitely tell that the angle, the field of view is a lot better. You can see a little bit more of my room. It's not as zoomed in on me as this other camera was. And I'm going to go ahead and show this one now so you can kind of compare. This is what we were using before. And like I said, I have 2 light bulbs out in this room. I don't have any light bulbs right now, and I really need to change that. Hopefully once I change the light bulbs, the lighting will be a lot better in this room because it's a little dim right now, so I do apologize for that. But already I'm liking the better angles with this camera. It's a little less fucking zoomed in on my face, I believe. I'll have to like look at the clips when I'm editing, of course, but there's really not much else to say other than we have a new webcam now. Hopefully it looks better for you guys, and hopefully it makes for better videos as well as better Twitch streams. I may Twitch stream tonight, I'm not too sure. At the time of recording this video, I probably won't upload this for a day or two, not really sure yet. But I do plan on Twitch streaming with this webcam hopefully sometime soon, and seeing how stuff looks there. I probably have to configure some stuff to make it look good and stuff like that. But other than that, I'm already liking this a lot better. It's obviously a lot better than this dinky little 720p webcam. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you think this clip looks a little bit better than the other one. Other than that, there's not much else to say. So I think I'm just going to end this video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
2018 is a new year. I gotta keep grinding. I got nothing to fear. I gotta always steer clear of all the fakes, of all the people trying to drown me in the lake. I'm gonna keep riding. I'm gonna keep spitting. I'm the king around here. I don't know who you're dissing. If you don't check me out, you're really missing out on the #1 rapper while you're over there smoking cloud. Oh my god, baby, I'm so